The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Try to see what everybody in the way. I know what's going on there, man. You can't see and then till no go away.
We're going. Hey, come. What are we This is God.
Put your hands on me, as I will call my lawyer. Just not touch me, not doing nothing.
No problem. Pastor will be going down there to preach to those that down there who need healing. Pastor will be going to preach.
Drape up, people. I think people don't know their rights. down. That's not necessary right now. Too wrong to make one right.
They no respect parents. They have no respect for God. Human
I pray for Chris overturn.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla here. Big up respect to each and every one, you know. And I have one more video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I show you that video, I want to give you a bit of information about this video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright. Now, this video, yes, it's out on social media, and according to what has been said about this video on social media is that this video shows off police that had interrupted a church service or church that was being kept. Now, this said to have happened in the effort of trying to stop the spread of the COVID-19, or you can say the coronavirus. You understand? Yeah, and according to what has been said on social media is that persons had been arrested, you know, and it is said that one of those persons is said to be the pastor or a pastor. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I do not have any information as to the amount of persons that had been arrested, nor do I have any information as to exactly where this had happened or when this had happened. But however, this video is out on social media, you know, and comments have been made about this video as well. And I'm bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. And you can also let me know what you think. All right. And please bear in mind that what I just told you about this video that is out on social media is based on what has been said about this video on social media. And also please bear in mind that there might be more information about this whole incident where it is said that police had interrupted a church service in the effort of trying to stop the spread of the COVID-19. All right. And viewers and subscribers, if there's any more information about this whole thing, I will leave a comment in the comment section to keep you up to date and posted about this video if possible. All right. And with that, I'm going to move on to the next video right about now, viewers and subscribers. All right. And the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show you off the person that is known as Ganggoolie. All right. Now, Ganggoolie is a Jamaican artist. You see me? Some persons would say Jamaican musician or so on. You see me? And he went and did a video, and this video is out on social media where he's basically trying to send a message to persons out there about the whole coronavirus, or you can say COVID-19 as well. And you know, he's trying to, you know, let persons know that this thing is no joke. You know, basically he's trying to let persons out there understand how serious and how dangerous is this coronavirus, and you know, other things as well. You know, he's going to talk about other things as well about this whole thing. You see me? Alright, so here I'm going to present the video to you that is going to show off the person that is known as Ganggoolie. Alright, now take a look, listen and observe.
Hi Jamaica, this is Ganggoolie, a product of Jamaica, okay? I'm an artist slash entertainer slash a real ghetto youth. I believe in a youth development, believe in my country, believe in my nation, believe in my music, believe in my culture. And I don't know the epidemic that's happening right now, the coronavirus. And you know, I'm trying to play my part as a real Jamaican artist, a real product of the ghetto. May I play my part? So I'm here to address the nation today. Let you all know that let's take this coronavirus thing serious, because it is very serious. As you can see all over the world, people dropping, dying, you understand? And we are not different from the rest of people. We are still flesh and blood. Most people take this thing for a joke, okay? But I'm here to let you know that let us all unite. Now is not the time for fuss and fight. Now is not the time to criticize. Now is not the time to bad mind. Now is not the time to behave like crab in a barrel. This thing is for all of us. It's a danger for the entire nation, the entire world. You understand? It don't matter if you're brown, black, white, purple or pink. We are all in danger right now. So I see people still taking this thing for joke, driving on the road, see people still, you know, gathering. They're still not taking heed, still not listening to the higher heads, listening to the health minister. It's time for us to mature and behave like we have a proper brain. Because some of us acting like we are fool or we are dumb or stupid. I want to let the health minister know that, Mr. Tufton, I'm willing to volunteer my service to my nation if they run on shortage in the health care. You know, I have a little idea about health. So I'm willing to put the artist thing aside and do my part to help my nation. If this thing called coronavirus get out of hand the real way, I'm willing to volunteer. So me as an entertainer, I don't care about no one else. I'm playing my part in my country. So let us take this thing very serious, as I said, and act with responsibility. Let us try to save the nation. Let us try to save the kids, the future. Okay? So protect yourself, get on the gloves and hand sanitizer, washing your hand often. You know the routine. 3 feet or 6 feet. So anyone you choose, it's all reliant on you. So those people out there who are gathering, it's best if you listen and take heed, because if this thing catch you, you can bring it back home to your house, endanger your family, endanger your friends. So if you want to have a brighter future, just take heed and listen. Coronavirus is very serious and it will mash up the entire world right now. So I'm Ganggoolie. Take care, because I'm taking care, and protect yourself.
Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about what Ganggoolie had said. Yes, what I'm saying to you. And I want to say big up and respect to Ganggoolie as well. That's what I'm saying to you. And this is where we leave it, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, you can let me know what you think about all of this. You know, these 2 videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.